If you've been dreaming of a classic American truck with modern performance, then the all-new 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is something you'll want to check out. GMC is bringing back that old-school charm with this retro-inspired pickup, blending vintage aesthetics with today's cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll break down its interior, exterior, performance, pricing, and safety features. So stay tuned. Exterior. A classic look with modern touches. GMC has perfectly captured the nostalgia of its classic trucks from the 1960s and 1970s while incorporating modern design elements. The boxy shape, round headlights, and chrome accents give it a retro feel, but don't be fooled. This is a 21st century machine. Expect LED lighting, a bold front grille, and rugged body lines that scream durability. The two-tone paint schemes, classic badging, and steel wheels complete the vintage look.
However, GMC also offers modern alloy wheels and an off-road package for those who want a mix of old and new. Interior. Retro meets high-tech. Step inside, and you'll feel like you've gone back in time, until you notice the state-of-the-art
Technology. GMC has masterfully combined classic materials like real wood, metal accents, and leather upholstery with a fully digital driver display and a touchscreen infotainment system. The large round dials mimic classic trucks, but they control a high-tech climate system, navigation, and smartphone integration. A premium Bose sound system, heated and ventilated seats, and a heads-up display make sure this truck isn't just about looks. It's built for comfort and convenience. Performance, power, and efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup offers multiple engine options to satisfy both traditionalists and modern truck enthusiasts. Base models come with a 3.0L turbocharged inline-6, producing around 355 horsepower. For those wanting more muscle, there's a 6.2L V8, pushing over 420 horsepower. GMC is also expected to offer a hybrid or full electric variant, which could deliver instant torque and impressive range. Towing capacity is expected to be around 10,000 pounds, making it a workhorse with style. A smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and adaptive suspension ensure a comfortable ride, whether on the highway or off-road. Safety, packed with modern tech. Despite its vintage design, GMC hasn't compromised on safety. The 2025 Vintage Pickup includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Advanced trailer sway control and blind spot monitoring make towing safer than ever. GMC's Super Cruise hands-free driving system could also be an option, offering semi-autonomous highway driving. Pricing. How much will it cost? Pricing is expected to start around $45,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $70,000 plus, depending on options like performance upgrades, luxury interiors, and off-road packages. The electric variant could be priced slightly higher, possibly in the $60,000 to $75,000 range. Final thoughts. Is it worth it? The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is more than just a nostalgic throwback. It's a blend of history and modern innovation. Whether you're a classic truck lover or just looking for a unique, capable pickup, this one checks all the boxes. With its head-turning design, powerful engine options, and state-of-the-art features, GMC is redefining what a retro modern truck can be. Would you buy the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest dream vehicles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.